Hey, welcome back to my channel. Tie it together. Today's video is going to be a install / review on this lovely 99J bob from SuperNova. So if you are interested on how I installed this and the review, please continue to watch.
1, 2, 1.
Right here, I just wanted to show you guys up close the knots. They're very small, so I really didn't have to bleach them. I just hit it with the hot comb to smooth the hair back and get a very clean cut of the hairline. Afterwards, I'm going to go in and pluck a little bit, but my main concern was to try to get it as flat as possible. So here I'm using a hot comb, and then I use the wax stick as well just to give it some oil and some shine to get those flyaways to stay down. So right here, I'm just going in with the tweezers to get my hairline a little more natural. It is a closure, so I'll try my best with these to make them sit and make them melt. Closures are very hard to make look like a frontal or make look natural. So I'm just going in all around the hairline, not in any particular way, just in areas I felt were too thick. When it comes to plucking, you never want to do it too consistently in one area because that causes balding. So here I'm just going throughout the hairline, combing it out, and then hitting it with the hot comb to see any other areas I need to touch up. Oh yes, baby, I am bald, as you can see, very much looking like your granddaddy, but that's okay. So right here, I'm just combing out my hair, trying to get it detangled as much as possible so it could lay flatter when I put the edge control on. I don't do the wig cap method because I feel like it takes up too much time and it's just a closure, so I don't mind gluing that thing onto my forehead. So yeah, I'm using instant control to lay my edges down and to lay my hair flat at the top. After slicking it down, I simply just get the cap and put it on my head to where the edges hit or cover my sideburns very well and covers all parts of my hair along the hairline. So just making sure it sits flat and it's placed correctly so the glue don't take my hair clean out. After applying the cap, I'm just going to apply some makeup so that the cap can match my complexion, so under the closure can look as scalp-like as possible. Look at me struggling, y'all. I had this makeup for like 3 years. Okay. So the glue that I'm using is extremely sticky, and I'm so glad they provided a nozzle this time because the first time around they did not. So I had to use like a popsicle stick or like the end of a makeup brush or anything I could get to make sure that I could smooth out the glue. But right here, I'm just smoothing out the glue that I apply, and I just realized I did not use a skin protector like I was supposed to in the kit. But the bottle is really hard to squeeze, so you see me going back and applying more just because I feel like I didn't apply enough the first time. But yeah, I'm just simply using the popsicle stick to smooth it out so it won't be clumpy in any areas. So I let the glue get completely dry to where it's tacky and it no longer strings, and I went ahead and tried to apply my wig, but I cannot do it on camera no matter how hard I try. So I went ahead and just went off camera and applied it, and here I am after I applied it. I simply just put the hairline over the tacky part and make sure that it was all secured and all stuck down. So right here, I went ahead and tied my hair down, or at least the hairline, with something very tight to secure the glue and let it dry while I style my hair. Y'all see how she's sitting? She kind of sitting kind of high. We're trying to avoid that. We want her to sit and sleep, not to wake and bake. So we're going to try to get her as flat as possible with the hot comb. So I'm going to give you guys a separate review about this glue, but real quick, I just wanted to include that the one thing I don't like about it is I really feel like no matter how long you wait for it to dry and get tacky, the glue is going to go through the lace when you lay it down. As you can see, it's like some white at the root right there. That's the glue, and I can't never try to remove it off the top without removing the whole lace. I just wanted to show y'all up close and in person that melted lace, baby. And she's not going anywhere, okay? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the details of this unit. I got this unit from SuperNova. It's 14 inches. It's a 4x4 closure. It's pre-colored, it's pre-cut, and I believe it's bleach, like the knots, because when I went up close, I really didn't have to do too much of that. This wig does not shed like at all. It has so much body and movement and shine. It's just it's a great wig to be pre-colored, but I really don't have any complaints with SuperNova. This is my second time purchasing a unit from them that is 99J. So they famous for this color. So if you want this color, you gotta go SuperNova. But yeah, anyway, I really like this unit. It's very thick. Like, it's thick and it's just soft and it's giving me life right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's really giving me life. The only thing I don't like about this wig is that 4x4s are so hard to not make look wiggy. If that makes sense, I try to make them look as natural as possible, and I'm not good with edges, so I have to try to melt this laciana, you feel me? So yes, all the details of course will be in the description box down below. I feel like this video is so half-assed, but I just want to give you guys something. I promised my last video that I would give you more content, so here I am. So if you like this video, subscribe, comment, share. I feel like you have to earn that. I try not to say that in the beginning of the video because it's like, girl, I don't even know you. Can you show me what you got before you over here asking for stuff? So I'll try to give you guys good content and then request something in the end. Of course, it's a give. So give, take, right. So yeah, of course, if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and yeah. If you guys want a review on the glue that I used in this video, please comment down below. I'm gonna give you guys a review anyway because I love this glue and I'm probably not gonna go back to any other glue, but like, got to be. If I had to be without this glue, I would go back to be. So yes. Okay, I'm really out of here now. I just keep forgetting stuff, so I'm probably gonna chop this up. We'll try our best. Peace. Okay, bye.